Two twos are how many? Two twos are how many? Okay, so two ones are two. Two twos are. So you understand this is what table is, not two twos are. Two twos are. Now somebody come one by one. Arrange two threes are. So how many two threes are? Take it from me. Come. They are three or two? Yeah, so now these are three. Take it three. Arrange and tell me how many. You come. Arrange two threes are. You take two fours are. You take two fours are. One. Beta, this is
Not here.
You are disturbing. You go. Arrange here. After two twos are. Arrange two threes are. You arrange two fours are.
One more. You need to arrange like this.
In the pair of
Two.
2, 2.
2 and 2. Okay,
Beta, you arrange two fours are.
like this.
Go. You arrange two fours are.
Yes.
After that. Not so far. Okay, arrange far. It's good. So this is actually table. Two ones are two. Two twos are four. Two threes are six.
Very good.
And we started saying it two ones are two, which does not make any sense. So we are going to make till two tens are. And then I will tell you what is multiplication. Okay, so who's coming next to make two fives are? Come.
Anamika.
Yeah, come. Come. How many twos you have? No. What two six are? No, but by line. Come.
Put that little far.
Yeah, put little far. So all are. How many will you have here? How many you have?
Very good.
8 means no. You have to say two ones are, two twos are. How many twos you have? Come. After that you will come. Come. This is here. We have done two fives are. We will do two six are. We say two sevens
Not like
are.
this.
You also come.
Little far.
You also come here. Make two sevens. Amay, take me to me. We will, both of you will make together. Count how many you have. And he has. So this is two fives are, two six are, and you have to go one. Eights are, I will give you three of them. So you have.
Now Sevelja will come.
You will also have four. Four and this. So go together. And he is also bringing four. You. So three of you will make two eights. You guys sit and do it with me quickly so that we can do.
Students, put them in proper way.
Yeah. So that we have place here to write. Like this, so that we can conclude the activity. Shift to this side. One after the other.
Laksh, please do it properly.
Yeah. Shift to that side. Wait, get up. Get up. It's still 10. Does not look like. Fast. Better you be ready for the next one. Take. From this side. Now it's fine. Now we can finally conclude. There should be a big learning between this. See, everybody is done. Get up. We don't have to do like this. Because I want you to see that they are true. Okay, that's good. Now I started doing this with a question. What is multiplication? Why? So tables are nothing but multiplication. Here you can see 2 ones are 2. That means if we take 1 2 we will get 2. If we take 2 2 we will get 4. If we get 3 2s we will get 6, right? If we get 4 2s we will get 8. If we get 5, this is we are multiplying.
Yes.
Is it we are multiplying? But I say that we are adding. So are we adding or multiplying? So are they same?
No.
Addition, but you are saying I am saying I am adding and you are multiplying, but we are getting the same answer. So is multiplication and addition are same?
Yes.
How are they connected? Can anybody tell what is the relation between multiplication and addition? So I say that I am adding and you say that you are multiplying. That multiplication and addition are same, but you are not able to tell the relation between them, right?
Yes.
So when we have to add a number again and again, like see 2 ones are, when we have to add 2 5 times, so instead a shortcut we use 2 5 times. So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. When we have to add same number many times, so we can quickly get answer by multiplying. So what is multiplication? Simply multiplication is a repeated addition. So what is multiplication?
Repeated addition.
What is multiplication?
Repeated addition.
So they are same. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition, and that is the reason behind we developed table for our short calculation. Like for example, if we are doing 17 into 5, that means we are adding 17 5 times. So you get the same answer if you multiply 17 with 5 or you add 17 5 times. Okay, so now if somebody asks you how is multiplication or addition related, so multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Okay, thank you. So why I told you this, because when I asked you this, it means 22 added 22 times, and some of us gave the answer which was far from the correct answer, because you could not visualize that if I add 22 20 times, I can never end up getting 44 or something like that.